digital products are gonna be a good way to get started in 2020 to make money as an affiliate. And I'm gonna give you a quick example on this video and what exactly you need to do to put yourself in the marketplace. But first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos, joining my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. You are in Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. My name is Carlos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them with new strategies, so you guys can create an online business for the long run. You want to have a business that's sustainable in the long run, not just to make a quick sale and then you guys don't know where to continue or where the sales are gonna come from. So also stay tuned for the first quarter of 2020 where I'm coming with my course, where I'm gonna be giving you the free access to it, a roadmap to know where to start from beginning to end before you actually go into the marketplace and decide to start affiliate marketing the right way. And in this video, we're gonna talk about digital products and why they can be a good way for every beginner to actually start with them in 2020. Now, one of the reasons why digital products are great is because these companies create the product once and can be delivered over and over as many times as anybody wants to download the product and use it. Your job as an affiliate is learn every single thing that this product can deliver to someone, okay? Now, you hear all the time people talk to you about you need to do health, wealth, and relationship, are the three niches that you actually need to get in to gain success, but not necessarily the truth. And I'm gonna give you a quick example of a channel that I found through being recommended because I was searching for something on YouTube. Now, I talked about this before in other videos to become a freelancer, but when you become a freelancer for a specific niche or a specific product, you can actually teach others how to do these things. And not only that, but you can become an affiliate for those products. And then you not only teaching them how to do it, but also you're an affiliate of those products. So digital marketing or digital products are very profitable, and they will be profitable for the long run because people want access to their products now. So I'm gonna show you pretty quick a channel from my boy Daniel Patel. How did I find him? I have Filmora video editing for my YouTube channel. That's the product that I use personally for my channel. But as you can see, my intro is a little too long. I need to look for the subscribe button, and you just see that panel that comes on the bottom, and I really don't like that. So I've been looking for a while how to change that, how to make it more enticing, how to make it more entertaining so my videos can get better quality. And that's how I came about Daniel and his channel. Now, he started his channel a while ago by helping other YouTubers, but his channel is, as you can see right here, about Filmora. His main niche is video editing. Now, how he positioned himself in the marketplace. Video editing is pretty broad. Well, he decided I'm going to learn Filmora because it's the product that I use for my own YouTube channels. I love that product, so he uses that as leverage to do video editing, but especially specific. And that's what I tell you guys, when you need to look at your niche, you can be in any niche that you want, but if you become more specific, your target audience is gonna be even better. If you want to be and make money online, will you be make money online? That's pretty broad. So you're not gonna talk to anyone. But if you teach someone how to make money online with doing affiliate marketing with Instagram, and you learn every single trick on Instagram, how to make the post, the tags, and all that stuff, you can be successful. If you decide to just do it with YouTube and learn how the algorithm works, how can you get people to monetize their channels within 3, 4, 5 months? You know, you be very specific. Him, very specific. Filmora is the one. Look at all the videos, transition effects. Make a GIF with Filmora. I don't know how to do that. I want to learn it because I can use it. The hook, video structure, Filmora, sounds effects, and free end screens, Filmora. Let's see what else he got. The heat vision with Filmora, parallax, like so many good stuff that he has, and it talks to me because I have Filmora. And not only that, but he's an affiliate with Filmora. I'm gonna show you if you click on one of his videos, and this one has over 3,000 views. So people are having great connection with his videos. Not only that, but they're loving his content. So we are gonna click on right here. As you can see right there, there's his links: Filmora, Filmora Pro, Film Stocks. Okay, now this is one of the things that you need to understand. He also started a subscription-based platform on his channel because he understands that maybe his channel will be there, but with the way things have happened in YouTube and social media in the last few months, it's been tumultuous to say the least, especially for creators, and there's a lot of, you know, copyright strikes all the time, so you're never secure what's gonna happen. So for him, it was very smart to start a subscription based product in his channel. As you can see, he has a membership. All right, so you pay monthly so he can have content that he's not releasing on his channel, and is very specific to, like, well, people ask him questions all the time in his channel, and now he knows I need to be creating videos that I can release for free, but also join my membership because I have exclusive content. And that's something that you can do for your specific niche, for your specific product, because you know everything about it, and you know things that other people are not showing on other channels, if there's similar channels to yours, and you can leverage that for you to have success in affiliate marketing. Not only that, but Filmora has 3 products, as you notice. They have Filmora 9, Filmora Pro, Film Stock, and they also have different downloads. So you, as an affiliate, can actually create an email list and email everybody when there's the specials. And you can also say, well, you know, if you purchase this when you're using your email marketing, you can tell them, when you purchase from my link, you're gonna have an exclusive video when I can give you a step-by-step guide how to use this package. So you're giving even more value to your customers, and more people are gonna buy. So very powerful, guys, because there's so many things you can do when you're very specific on your niche. And if you're passionate about this, that doesn't mean that you're not gonna find success. He is gonna make a lot of money once people are joining not only his membership, but also when he creates his email list, because Filmora is only the one software that he uses, the one digital product, but there can be other digital products out there that are better quality, and eventually he can shift to another channel and teach other tricks and video editing. So I hope that you guys understand how can you position yourself in the marketplace, even if it's a competitive niche, because all niches are very competitive. If you realize that tons and tons of videos being released all the time in YouTube. Like per hour is almost 5,000 hours of watch time, I believe, they're released per minute per day. So just think about how much traffic comes through YouTube, and that's why it's one of the best places where you can get started, even if you suck, because you're better off by people not watching your first few videos because you're bad at it. But as you get better, you're gonna start finding success. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you want more strategies how to make money online, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys don't miss a single video. But you want more strategies how to make money, well, there's one coming right after this one. Don't miss it out, and click on that link so you can subscribe to my channel, but also click on that next video because I'm bringing more value so you guys can actually resonate with any of the strategies that I give on this channel, because I want you to pick the one that resonates with you. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and I will see you in that next video when I'm giving you more strategies how to make money online.